Diversified Metal Products specializes in metal fabrication and installation services to the food service, manufacturing, and nuclear industries. Located in Idaho Falls, Idaho, they are a small business that services U.S. clients. Technology Evaluation Centers completed a digital transformation process by impartially helping Diversified Metal Products evaluate and select an efficient and cost-effective ERP software. This replaced their current outdated legacy system that was never fully configured and relied on many manual processes and inefficiencies. Our initial approach had a shotgun effect, while the tech methodology was a detailed and structured approach. This enabled us, as a client, to rate and focus on what we thought was important and critical. Additionally, the tech approach opened our eyes to countless features that otherwise would have gone undetected and unexplored in the process we were trying to do on our own. The process of reviewing systems had become burdensome, confusing, and time-consuming, given the sheer numbers of ERP systems available and the professed capabilities of each. The more we were exposed to, the more questions we had. We had exceptional corporate buy-in throughout the process in dealing with tech, and when it came to the final selection, the ERP system selected was rated first in 15 functional areas and second in 2 other areas. I do not believe we would have achieved those results had we done this by ourselves, given lack of detailed analysis and trying to deal with multiple vendors on our own. We're excited, really. All the departments are excited. The biggest challenges and wasted tasks are about to be overhauled. Payroll, the ability to capture data as it enters the system, and proper project management. We are doing project management through spreadsheets, and we need to move away from that. Working with tech was absolutely worth it. The value of not rushing through the process or skipping important details, and by doing the selection thoroughly and properly was obvious. Tech walked us through the entire process, and in the end, we saved both time and money. For more information about our services, please contact us. Technology Evaluation Centers, Tech. The choice is clear.